In this DreamHost tutorial video, we'll be doing a DreamHost Shared Unlimited review, going over everything from the pricing and features of the DreamHost Shared Unlimited plan, to the security, customer support, uptime, and performance offer. I'll also be providing you with a DreamHost discount that would give you anywhere from 65% off up to 72% off over DreamHost monthly pricing for the DreamHost Shared Unlimited plan, plus you'll get a free domain name on annual plans. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the DreamHost discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you're receiving commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome DreamHost discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit DreamHost. I'm here on the DreamHost Shared Hosting Plans page. You'll see the Shared Unlimited plan. The Shared Unlimited plan you get for as low as $2.95 a month depending on the term you go with. For the 3-year term, you get the Shared Unlimited plan for $3.95 a month, plus you'll get a free domain name. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now, the rate is $10.99 a month for the renewal. If going with a yearly term, you get the Shared Unlimited plan for $2.95 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now, the rate is $12.99 a month for the renewal. For the monthly term, you get the Shared Unlimited plan for $8.95 a month, which will last for 3 months. After the 3 months, the plan renews at the then current rate. Right now, the rate is $13.99 a month for the renewal. With the monthly term, you won't receive a free domain name. The Shared Unlimited plan comes with a 97-day money-back guarantee, free SSL certificates, free domain name for the first year, free domain privacy, unlimited email at your domain name, unlimited websites, unlimited traffic, WordPress installer, free automated WordPress migrations, AI website builder, AI business advisor, and fast SSD storage. More features that the DreamHost Shared Unlimited plan comes with are unmetered bandwidth, automatic WordPress updates to core and security, automated daily backups, unlimited site storage, unlimited subdomains, unlimited MySQL databases, and unlimited FTP, SFTP shell users. You'll also have access to the DreamHost control panel, access to raw log files, cron tab access, shared panel access, secure shell SSH access, IPv6 support, and support for current PHP versions. When it comes to speed and reliability, DreamHost provides fast and reliable speed. You get resource protection, 100% uptime guarantee, optimized servers, and fast solid-state storage with DreamHost. DreamHost offers an award-winning technical support team. You get 24/7 in-house customer support. DreamHost multilingual support team covers around the globe, ensuring that help is always just a quick message away via email or web chat. You get 24/7 ticket support, live chat support, and phone support callbacks. DreamHost also offers a comprehensive knowledge base providing FAQs where you can find answers and tutorials on popular questions you may have. DreamHost technical support team responds to inquiries in under an hour, with live chat available in less than 60 seconds. DreamHost solves most issues on the first contact, 12% higher than the industry average, so you don't need to follow up or escalate. DreamHost provides 91% customer satisfaction. With a high recommendation rate, DreamHost award-winning support team delivers friendly, reliable help that keeps customers happy. DreamHost offers great security when it comes to its web hosting service, such as multi-factor authentication, auto-enabled SFTP, and free secure hosting with Let's Encrypt. DreamHost Shared Unlimited plan offers a solid, reliable solution for anyone looking to launch and grow a website without breaking the bank. With unlimited storage, bandwidth, and email, it's ideal for users who need flexibility and value without worrying about hitting limits. Add to that the award-winning 24/7 support team, known for its expertise and commitment to customer success. DreamHost stands out as a dependable choice for web hosting. I hope you enjoyed this DreamHost Shared Unlimited plan review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DreamHost hosting tutorial videos.